Here we are seeing next stereochemical mode. Here I am taking the stereochemical mode, that is pi 4 Antara plus pi 2 Antara. Here I am taking Antara type of fashion. Here also first example I am explaining Xi 1 pi. However, took for in previous video. In the same way, see Xi 1 I am writing all shaded lobe towards downside. You can write all shaded lobe towards upside or all shaded towards downside. It is up to your cunning. Okay. Now here I am writing pi. Pi also you have shaded lobes towards same side. Now after doing this, I am doing Antara. How you will call Antara? See, with respect to this system, I am doing reaction one from above side, one from below side. See, I am doing reaction on the opposite sides. No, here I am doing reaction on the above side. Here I am doing reaction on the below side. So here when you consider this system also, I am doing once a reaction below side, I am doing a reaction above side. See, with respect to this system, I am doing reaction on the opposite side, so it is Antara. With respect to this system, I am doing reaction on the opposite side. Here above lobe is participating, here below lobe is participating. So this is also Antara. So after doing the reaction, you join both. See, above is joining with above. Here below is joining with this. Okay, here with respect to this pi system, the reaction is taking place on the opposite side lobes. Here also with respect to this pi system, the reaction is taking place in the opposite side lobe. So it is the Antara fashion. Now before going the number of electrons, again 6 pi electrons are there. Now we will count the nodes. Xi 1 will be having 0 node, pi will be having 0 node. Sigmatropic, I mean stereochemical mode, if you take, shaded part is overlapping with unshaded part. See here ma, shaded is overlapped with unshaded. So here one node is formed. Here also shaded is overlapped with unshaded. Here also node is formed. So two nodes are formed. Total number of nodes are 2. Again, 4n plus 2 system with even number of nodes, it is aromatic. As it is aromatic, it will be stable in the ground state and it is thermally alert. So here, if you take the fashion that is supra, or if you take Antara, both will be stable in thermal conditions only. See, both will be stable in thermal conditions. This part won't be changing for supra or Antara. Both cases will be getting the same answer. But Antara is not applicable for smaller system. When you take bigger system, the both answers will be, you will be getting a product. But for smaller system, Antara is not allowed geometrically. So I can write here thermally. After completing the supra mode, you try the example having a combination of Xi2 and pi star. Take here Xi2 system. Here you take pi star and do Antara and write the answer. Next suprafacial mode, here I am taking is supra Antara. So in this what you will do is, here I am taking a combination again having Xi1 and pi. Again have written Xi1 having all shaded downside. Here pi shaded towards same side. What pi will have? Shading towards same side. Even Xi1 also will have shading towards same side. So now here I am doing supra Antara fashion. After drawing a orbital, first one supra, one Antara you have to keep. So here for butadiene I am doing the reaction both on below side. I am doing reaction both on down side. Whereas for pi system I am doing for one lobe above and one lobe below. Means here I am doing the reaction on the opposite direction. Here I am considering it as Antara. Here I am doing reactions on the both same side. Here I am continuing as a supra. So here supra Antara. You can also do here Antara fashion, here supra fashion, as you like. You can do the reaction. So but one system you have to have Antara and one system should consider supra type of mode of. So afterwards I am joining these both. And I am counting the number of nodes. Again the system 6 electron, that is 4n electron system. Now I will count the system. Xi1 will be having 0 number of nodes. Pi also will be having 0 number of nodes. Now stereo chemical mode, if you see here, shading is overlapped with shaded only. Here node is not formed, whereas here shading is overlapped with unshaded. So here one node is formed. Total number of nodes are 1. So here number of nodes are 1, that is 4n plus 2 system with odd number of nodes is anti-aromatic. Once it is anti-aromatic, it will be stable in excited state and it is photochemically allowed. As you are having Antara, Antara is nothing but you require twisting of the bond. For the small electron system, the twisting is not easy. Even though it is allowed under photochemical condition, it is geometrically forbidden. So even for this mode also, you try an example having pi 2, psi 2 and pi star. So at last, we will come to the selection rules of cycloaddition reactions. Listen girls, selection rules of cycloaddition reactions will be same even if you take FMO approach, or if you take OCD approach, or if you take a PMO approach. Whatever approach you take also, these rules will not change. If you want, you can check once. Now here what I am taking is number of systems are, this answer won't change. Means at 4n system under thermal condition, what type of mode you will be having, that won't be changing. If you are, means 4n system under thermal condition it is allowed, or under photochemical condition it is allowed, that part will be won't changing if you take any of these systems. Now here first I am taking system 1 is 4n and 4n plus 2. Next column consider number of nodes. Third is nature of transition state. Fourth is thermally, and late fifth is photochemical conditions. Now first I am taking 4n system. Two possibilities are there, no? 0 or even, 1 or odd. So now 4n system with 0 number of nodes is anti-aromatic. 4n system with odd number of nodes is aromatic. So now here when you see the previous diagrams, and if you take an example where I have explained the 4n with the 0 or even number of nodes will be allowed under photochemical condition, you will be having supra or antara fashion, whereas 1 or 0 number of nodes will be allowed in aromatic transition state is having supra antara at the thermal conditions. Means supra antara thermal, how I am saying it is under thermal, see aromatic means ground state stable thermal condition, anti-aromatic excited state stable photochemical condition. So 4n system order even number of nodes, you will be getting anti-aromatic undergoing supra fashion. As it is anti, it is allowed in the photochemical condition. Here as it is aromatic, undergoing supra antara mode is showing aromatic transition state, so it will be allowed under thermal condition. So in the same way, when you take 4n plus 2 system, odd or even number of nodes is aromatic, I mean 0 or even number of nodes is aromatic, odd number of nodes is anti-aromatic. So here supra antara is seen in 4n plus 2 system having odd or even number of nodes, that is aromatic transition state. When 4n pi electron system is having 0 or even number of nodes will have aromatic transition state. Till that time you will be saying supra or supra antara stereochemical mode. As it is aromatic, so it will be thermally stable. Okay. Now 4n plus 2. See here only you are having 4n plus 2. I am taking supra antara. It is allowed under which condition? Photochemical condition, and having anti-aromatic transition state. So just write down here 4n plus 2 anti-aromatic because it is having odd number of electron. It is stable under photochemical condition. So I have written under photochemical part. So you can go for before also. See here again I am taking here 4n plus 2 system only, having thermally allowed, that is aromatic transition state, undergoing which fashion? Supra. Even for antara also you will be getting thermally allowed aromatic. So that only have written here 4n plus 2 aromatic when it will be having 0 or even number of electron, and it is supra antara fashion is allowed.